So on the BPO side, Cash, can you just give us an overview again, the situation there and what's going on with the BDO, or with the BPO
Yeah,
sector?
actually, for the property market, there are two things that we've seen as strong growth drivers. One is the OFW market, which brings in more than 20 billion, almost 25 billion US dollars in terms of remittances. And then the other one would be just the BPO market, which brings in almost at that level. And the BPOs are expanding not just Metro Manila, but in the countryside as well. We have that strong macroeconomic fundamentals. We have that young demographic population. We have that good education, which they are looking for. So our median age is around 23, and then with the cheap cost of rent for the Philippines, and then also for the labor pool, they find us as very efficient. So that it's more of a plug-and-play situation. They go to an area where they have good labor pool, and then they can easily connect in terms of infrastructure, connectivity, and then they set up. It's advantageous for them to go actually into the countryside to avoid poaching. Because sometimes there's a cluster of BPO companies in a single development, and then all of a sudden the employees get offered a little bit higher by transferring to the next building, to the next company. So with that, they want to avoid that, which is going on a lot in Metro Manila. That's why they're looking to expand in the countryside.
Okay, but what we know, I know there's some tax issues involved with the BPO, right? So Veronica, can you explain us what these tax issues are and how we can overcome them?
I think among the packages that the DOF is looking at is a rationalization of fiscal incentives, and the BPO industry should be holding dialogues now with the DOF because most BPOs are structured as corporations enjoying an initial 4-year income tax holiday, after which they enjoy 5% gross income tax, which is in lieu of other taxes compared to the regular corporate income tax of other corporations. Now, we've heard from the news that the DOF would want to put an end to the 5% special rate of income tax, which runs in perpetuity. So they want a sunset provision. That sunset provision, I believe, from the various bills filed in Congress beginning June, that sunset is a 15-year period post the income tax holiday. So this might, put a dampener on the financial models being used by the investors in deciding to invest in our BPOs.